How to unblock people on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I will simply show you how you can unblock people on Facebook. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, due to spam and this type of irritating messages, you might have blocked a specific person before, and now you realize that you simply want to unblock that person. Now, it was very easy to block them, but you're not being able to figure out in any way how you can go ahead and unblock them. If that is the case, then just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to unblock people on Facebook, just go ahead and then launch the Facebook application and then log into your account. Go to the menu page by tapping on the three lines icon, and if you're on iPhone, this icon could be at the bottom right. Once you go to the menu page, scroll down to the bottom, select the option called Settings and Privacy and go to Settings. Once you go to settings, just tap on profile settings, and once you go to profile settings, right over here you'll find the option called blocking. Now you can see I have a handful of people on my block list. That is because I really hate spam. But if you want to unblock them, all you have to do is on the right hand side of each of these profiles, you just have to tap on the unblock button once. It'll ask you for your confirmation. Are you sure that you want to unblock this person? So just go ahead and tap on unblock. Now I'm not really going to do that, but just tap on unblock if you really wish to unblock that person. Also keep in mind that if they were friends with you before and then you block them and then you try to unblock them again, they're going to be removed from your friends list, and they're not going to know that you've blocked and unblocked them. But if you send them a friend request, they're most likely going to know that you've either unfriended them or you've most likely blocked and then unblocked them. So you just have to keep that in mind. That's all it takes to unblock people on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.